Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to check the model on DELL Latitude 5420. If you want to check the model, flip your laptop over and then you can see it says DELL Latitude 5420, but let's find out if there's like a particular model number. It's hardly even visible. So yeah, I can't really be sure, but I believe that this model right here, which says P137G, it may be the model. You should just look it up on the DELL website, but also maybe the Latitude 5420 will be enough. It really just depends. Or if you're asked about it, enter the ST, which is like serial number, but marked differently for some reason. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.